Hey y'all, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. So this is for one of my subbies. He likes Vapormaxes and wanted to see a close-up of these. So I've been told him months ago I was going to do these and I never did them. And these are the Acronym. These came out a couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago or so. Oh man, I didn't get the white ones. I kind of slept on them. And then they came out with this color. I hope this does it for him. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. Yeah, you didn't wet that wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop. So I hope this is good enough for you, homie. Peace.